Welcome to our comprehensive guide to using Trendspider for trading. Today, we will explore the platform's robust features that can enhance your trading experience. Let's start by creating an account. Head to the Trendspider website and fill in the required fields to get started. Once you have created your account, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center for all trading activities. Now, let's set up your charts and choose the most relevant indicators that suit your trading style. Automated trend lines are a game changer. They help identify market trends without the need for manual drawings. One of Trendspider's proprietary features is the raindrop chart, providing insights into price action and volume. To stay updated on market movements, let's set up alerts that notify you of critical changes. Now, let's look at some case studies where traders successfully utilize Trendspider in their trading strategies. Combining Trendspider with other tools can elevate your trading. Let's discuss some best practices. Finally, let's explore some tips for optimizing your trading strategy using Trendspider's powerful features. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial empowers you to utilize Trendspider effectively in your trading journey.